So this is a video for all of my people who have done songs with people and they are they're mad, no. But they signed away a lot of their rights. Follow T Swift and Taylor Swift's moves, and now Ariana Grande and all these other people, and you can redo the master. Guess what, guys? I didn't realize this for so long. The second you put out a song, anyone can remake that. Now, they cannot profit off of your songwriting. That will go to your PRO, and the songwriters of the song will collect for that. But guess who gets the collection from the masters? You, my friends. So if I've done a cover song like I have with I Will Survive or Halo or blah, 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 some other stuff, right? You will collect on the master's end. That means a production. So think about a pie, 100%. You get 50%, they get 50%. So it still works in your favor. So now all of these artists, they're like, aha, we've been tied with these labels that have made some really crappy deals. And now they're redoing things because now they can. Maybe it was like contractual like type stuff, but guess what, guys? People say all the time, I can't do what the major label artists do because I don't have that backing, I don't have that team, blah, 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 blah. But you can follow them, right? You've had a bad situation and you really like your song or something, or it's had some good success and you feel like you have a good fan base, just do the same thing. There you go.